I think it's very focused and dedicated to a particular type of business. And that's a unique differentiator for, I would say, Moog. This building is built specifically for the products that we're going to be making in it, the people that work in this building. It offers state-of-the-art infrastructure for those products. It offers good collaboration between our manufacturing facilities and our engineers. And I think that's very unique for our business. Development is what feeds our growth and feeds the future of the Actuation and Avionics business unit. And this building will offer approximately 8,000 square feet of dedicated development space. That's space for IR&D projects, that's space for quick turn, prototyping for our customers that the market is asking more and more of these days. It means a lot to me personally. I'm incredibly proud of the space and the way that this building is being renovated and the final product that we're able to offer to our employees. It's a really unique opportunity to leave a little bit of myself on the facilities that we're going to use for decades to support growth. So it's a humbling project for me. I'm happy to be a part of it.